U.S. Marines began to push into the city where al-Assad is making his last stand. Fighting has intensified in the capital city. Anti-aircraft fire and burning buildings light the night.
Roger on location. Repeating, map grid 527619er. Over.
Bravo 6 copies. Over.
Bravo 6, we have an Abrams dead in the water. Call sign, War Pig. Lieutenant Vasquez, your unit is shotgun. Over.
Copy. Bravo is inbound. Tell War Pig to stand by. We're on our way. Out.
Company's tank is stuck half a click north of here. We gotta hustle. Let's go!
Move it! Move it! Clear! Keep moving! Contact point! Contact point!
Get the place and fire on that building! We have to move forward! Keep moving forward! Alpha, let's take the stairs and hit their flank. Bravo, give us covering fire. Let's go, Jackson. Follow me. Switch to the exit now. Jackson, you and Royce will head upstairs. We'll cover this entrance. Go! Watch your fire! We are on the second floor! Roger that. Hitting fire. Jackson, use their machine gun. Shut him down. Shoot him through the wall. Good job.
Be advised, more enemy troops are converging on the tank. Get there ASAP.
Roger that. We're working on it. Out.
Clear! Three coming out! Sorry, there's a ton of them out there!
Shut up and keep them pinned down!
Suppressing fire! Grenade! Clear! Sorry, there's a ton of them out there!
Shut up and keep them pinned down! Spotted enemy tanks headed this way. Private West, get on the roof and hit him with the javelin. Private West is down! West is down! Get the javelin so you can take out those tanks! to the second floor and take out those tanks.
Hit those vehicles at the front! Target destroyed! Target's in the open! West of us!
Bravo 6, we're taking heavy fire on our position north of the overpass! Where the hell are you? We're almost there. Hang on!
Tanks on the other side of that overpass. Come on, let's get back to the squad.
Alpha 6, what's your status? Over. We're still surrounded, sir! There's just a 4 of us left, but the tank's still okay! Over! Contact to the east and we're flanking to the south. Hold the perimeter. Bravo 6, this is War Pig. The main gun's offline, but we still have our machine gun. They're moving with jetpacks. Don't let them get close to the tank. Alpha 6, what's your status? Over. We're still surrounded, sir! There's just a 4 of us left, but the tank's still okay! Over! Contact to the east and we're flanking to the south. Hold the perimeter. Bravo 6, this is War Pig. The main gun's offline, but we still have our machine gun. They're moving in with jetpacks. Don't let them get close to the tank.
Bravo 6, be advised. More hostiles assembling to the west of your position. Over.
Charlie Bravo 6, requesting air support for fire mission. Over.
Negative, Bravo 6. There's an enemy ZPU to the south of your position. Until you take it out, we cannot risk sending in any more choppers. Over.
Jackson, find that CPU and take it out so we can get some air support. Lopez, James, cover him. All right, let's move out. Secure the western approach. Move.
a safe distance. We're good to go. Jackson!
Jackson, I've got air support on the way, but they need our exact location. Plant the IR beacon and get their attention. Out.
Enemy infantry! There's 4! Take them down! Enemy busted out!
Okay, positive ID on your Sparkle. We're coming in hot from the northeast. Stand by. Down there? Negative. We got him. Roger that. All targets destroyed. We're out of here. Good luck, boys. Out.
Command, LZ is secure. Bring in the engineers and let's get this tank moving.
Roger that. They're on the way. Good work. Out.
Squad, regroup at the tank! Let's go!
Defensive positions around the fog, here, and here, and buy the engineers some time to get the tank moving. Hoorah!